Oh my God, I'm so excited. I finally got my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Let me see how they look. I picked them out over the phone, but I went in the store to get them and I couldn't see them. Let me see. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try these. So I'm gonna vlog with them and take some videos, and then I'm gonna do a video to let you guys know how they look. But these are gorgeous. I only usually see the black ones. So when I got in the store and saw these on the shelf, I picked these up. So thumbs up the video. Give me some time and I'm gonna give y'all a review. Thank you. Oh my God, the case is so cute. You guys should see it in person. It's really cute. Oh, look at that. That is so nice. Let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, oh, you see them? Oh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my. So cute. Let's see. What else is in here? Something else in here. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I can't get in there, whatever it is. Oh, okay. Instructions on how to get started. Okay. What else is in here? Safety warranty. Okay. So it doesn't come with a charger, so you're gonna have to buy your own charger. Okay, child, don't mind them dishes in the sink. Okay. But it does have a built-in charger, but you could use your USB cord, I guess, your regular iPhone charger to charge this. Oh my God, this is so cute. But these things, oh, they're so cute. Let me see how they look on me. Hold on. I'm not going to take everything off, but let me see. Because the ones I tried on in the store were black. Give me a second. What you say? She ain't no diva. Y'all see my little Ray-Ban? I ain't take the thing off the side. I'm going to record with these today and see what it do, baby. I don't want to take this off yet until I actually get ready to. But they so cute. Oh my goodness. They so cute. Don't pay me no mind. Let me see. Yes, girl. Ooh. Y'all like them? I like an old lady. I just have to get used to them. I want it clear, but this is what they had. And I wanted my glasses. I wasn't leaving it out of there without my glasses. So, but yes, they are so cute. Yeah, I can't wait to film with these. Yeah, I'm going to go over the instructions and see what to do. And then I'm going to come back with a look for y'all. Y'all can see. I'm letting y'all get my natural reaction. I ain't do my hair, I ain't do nothing. Y'all should be used to me by now with this thing on my head. Y'all know I be working. All I do is work. And I be trying to do little videos. But y'all should be used to me. I ain't got no lip gloss on, but child, these is cute. It kind of match my little hat. Yeah, but overall, it's a nice fit. They're so pretty. Oh my God, they're so cute. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. Right. Y'all like, share, and subscribe.